Hira Mandi was an incredible experience. As I mean, I think it's every actor's dream to work with a director like Sanjay Leela Bhansali. He creates such beautiful, immersive worlds. I think he gets the best out of his actors. Everybody who works with him is kind of challenged to do their best. He also has, he also creates very, very memorable heroines. I mean, all his characters are memorable, but his heroines are very, very special. I think they're always spoken about. In this, there were six heroines, each very unique, each very beautifully, each very sort of unique in their beauty, in their fearlessness, in their agency, in their vengeance. In I think that's what made Hira Mandi so special. That there are so many stories to tell, and each about a very, very unique woman. And Sanjay sir really gives a lot of dignity to his female characters and their stories. He believes every woman, despite where she comes from or whatever her context is, deserves to be treated like a queen, and her story is worth telling with a lot of dignity and a lot of pride and a lot of so I think to be a part of Hira Mandi was a huge blessing, and to be with Sanjay sir, to absorb from him, to surrender to him, to learn from him was incredible, and I feel very blessed for it. I love Sanjay sir, and it was amazing working with him.
And I think that is the reason that the show is getting such a good response. Yeah. So,
I mean, I think Sanjay sir is somebody who should be celebrated not just by our country but by the
right.
world. He's a filmmaker who loves what he does. He lives, breathes, eats cinema, and I think that's why he creates legacy. Whenever he makes
Right.
something, it's always legacy.
True.